and I'm drunk too.
Good morning, Beans. Hello, welcome back. I'm glad to see you. We're doing some exciting things, so I thought you would want to come. So, let's go along with my day and do the day stuff. Let's go. Ew. Ew, it's all wet. Ew. Ow. I'm gonna hit it by the end of the night and the booty's so big. What am I getting? Oh.
Hi, I'm Miles Morales, and I'm the one and only Spider-Man.
I just want to hit it by the end of the night. I'm the one and only Spider-Man. It's cold out here. I have some canvas, and we're going to do some painting for my apartment. And also I'm making this one for my cousin because it's her birthday. Struggling a little bit. This is it. She's done. Dream big, work hard, don't give up, stay humble, be proud, believe in you, be positive, and love unconditional. So, finished my first painting. Now I'm gonna do second one. This is for my bathroom of my apartment. I'm super excited for this one because it's like for me, but also like when it's for me, I usually do a crappy job. So we'll see. The brown, like, I filled in the letters and they kind of look a little hairy, which is cool. I don't know. I just really like it. And I can't wait to, like, have it in my bathroom, my real bathroom. I'm so excited. Oh, the lighting in here is great.
Right? Here.
Stop. What are you doing?
I thought we needed some of the goo.
No.
Stick up on there.
Is your door open? Then how am I gonna move? Thanks. So we're going to my cousin's birthday party and I'm wearing all black because I don't know what to wear because it's kind of cold today. So, yeah. I don't know, that was irrelevant, but yeah. Bye.
Do it! What?
No one even cares.
Tell my friends that I don't need you. Last time we spoke was spring break and I see through conversation we had in the ocean with the waves brought me down, down.